How to clean a flat screen TV. Whether you're watching your favorite sports team or enjoying family movie night, a clean television screen can make all the difference. There's nothing worse than noticing a dusty, greasy, or fingerprinted screen as you lounge comfortably on the sofa. Luckily, learning how to clean a flat screen TV is fairly straightforward, requiring little time and few materials. Whether you have an LCD or a plasma TV, all flat-screen TVs are made of thin, flexible materials and should be treated gently. Flat screens have extremely sensitive components, and chemical cleaners may lead to a broken or blank screen, so skip the window cleaning spray. Even ordinary kitchen towels or paper towels can cause marks and scratches on the screen. Here's the right way to clean a flat-screen TV and prevent costly damage. Welcome to Best Choices. How to clean a flat-screen TV. Number 1. Turn off the TV. Having the TV off will help you spot dust and grime much easier. Before you start cleaning, turn your TV off and give it a few minutes to cool down. While you're waiting, you can gather your cleaning supplies and gloves that you'll need to start. Wearing gloves isn't strictly necessary, but it can help protect your hands if you have sensitive skin. Cleaning a cool TV is easier than cleaning a warm one. Warm screens can react with your cleaning product, leaving streaks behind. Number 2. Dust the screen with a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths won't scratch the surface of your TV. To dust off your TV screen, grab a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen up and down. Shake the cloth every few wipes to get rid of dust and dirt. If you don't have a microfiber cloth, you can use a 100% cotton t-shirt instead. However, you should never use paper towels, cotton towels, or toilet paper to wipe down your TV, since they can scratch the screen. Number 3. Use an electrostatic duster as a microfiber alternative. If you don't have a microfiber cloth on hand, a duster works just as well. These dusters use static electricity to attract dust and lint, making them an easy way to clean your TV screen without scratching it. Use the duster to gently wipe off your TV screen, going in large streaks to cover the entire thing. When you're done dusting, rinse off your duster and hang it up to dry so it's clean for next time. Number 4. Clean the frame with a microfiber cloth. The hard plastic frame is less sensitive than the screen itself. Use the microfiber cloth or a duster to wipe it off. Do this right after you dust your screen so that you can get rid of the majority of the grime right away. If your TV has vents on the sides or backs, wipe those off with your cloth, too. Number 5. Remove streaks with distilled water. Distilled water will clean your screen gently without leaving streaks. Grab a new, clean microfiber cloth and spritz some distilled water directly onto the cloth, not your TV screen. Gently wipe the damp cloth along your screen, going up and down slowly. If your cloth dries out, spray a few more spritzes of water onto the cloth before continuing. Always spray your cleaning solution onto your cloth, not directly onto the screen. Spraying liquid onto your TV can cause it to drip into unexpected places, which could lead to damage. Distilled water is completely pure, it doesn't even contain any minerals. It's best to use distilled water because you know there's nothing extra in it that might hurt your TV. Number 6. Deep clean your screen with diluted white vinegar. If your screen still looks dingy, make a 1:1 solution with water and white vinegar. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts distilled water and white vinegar. Spray the mixture onto a microfiber cloth, then gently wipe it along your TV screen. White vinegar is a natural cleaning solution that's effective but gentle. It won't leave streaks on your TV screen, and while it might smell a little strong at first, the smell will evaporate as soon as the vinegar is dry. Number 7. Use isopropyl alcohol as a vinegar alternative. If you hate the smell of vinegar, make a 1:1 solution with water and isopropyl alcohol. Mix equal parts of distilled water and isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, then spritz the mixture onto a microfiber cloth. Wipe your TV screen with the mixture, then let it air dry. Isopropyl alcohol evaporates quickly, so it won't leave any streak marks on your screen. Number 8. Scrub spots with electronic wipes. Electronic wipes are safe to use on most electronics in your home. Pick up a package of these wipes, then use one to gently scrub at any stains or spots on your TV. Be careful not to press too hard, as intense pressure can damage your screen if you aren't careful. If you have a plasma TV, electronic wipes are not the best choice because of the anti-glare layer on the screen. Stick to dry products to clean your TV without any damage. Number 9. Try dish soap for stubborn stains. A 10:1 ratio of water and dish soap will gently scrub away marks or stains on your TV. Fill up a spray bottle with distilled water, then add in 1 to 2 drops of dish soap and mix thoroughly. Spray the mixture onto a microfiber cloth, then gently scrub the area with your solution. TV screens, especially LCD ones, are prone to scratching, so press lightly to avoid any damage. When it comes to dish soap, the more diluted it is, the better. Too much soap could lead to streaking once your TV dries. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips for cleaning a TV screen. 1. Always follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions, especially if the TV is still under warranty, so you don't do anything that could void it. 2. Never spray any cleaner directly onto a TV screen. In fact, a dry cleaning method is always the safest option. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals, like ammonia, found in some glass cleaners, alcohol and acetone. 4. Always use a soft cloth to wipe the TV screen. A rough cloth or paper towel could scratch the screen. Warnings. 1. Avoid ammonia or acetone-based cleaners, as these cleaners have the potential to damage your screen. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.